Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a tool that I use to blur text, blocks of areas, images, the title on a web browser. So this tool is compatible with different browsers. I'll show you what they are. So let's get started. So the tool that I'm going to show you is called Blur Web App. It's an extension that I use on Chrome, or if you're using other browsers, then you've got to install the add-ons. So the other browsers, so we talked about Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. So those are the main ones. And what it does is you can blur certain areas of the website. It only works on a browser, and it's really useful when you're sharing your screen. So if you're doing a screen casting, streaming, doing a webinar where you have to share your screen and your website, then this tool is the perfect tool to use to hide sensitive information. So for example, if you want to hide your username and password, you can do so. Or if you want to hide credit card information or anything that is sensitive, you can even blur part of an image. So you can sign up here for a free trial if you want, and then you need to install the Chrome extension. There were instructions how to do that when you sign up. So when you install this Chrome extension, let me go to a website where I can show you how to use it. So let's go and click on this button to start up the Blur Web App. At the bottom here, you've got the different options. So you can keep the blur, hide title, blur selected text, blur area, clear all. You can change the size here, and then just tick, which is accept. So let me show you keep blur, what that does. So imagine you're doing a screen share and you're streaming that, or doing it via one of the video conferencing tools, and before the actual webinar or video conference, you can select areas where you want to blur, so that if you accidentally refresh the page, or if you forget to save the blur, this one will automatically keep it for the next time when you refresh it. So let me show you that. The first thing you need to do is click on the keep blur, so that will go green. Then you gotta select the area that you wanna blur. So I'm gonna select the text. So let me select this text here, then let's blur that out. Or you can switch on this mode where it automatically selects the different blocks where you wanna blur. So that was the different mode. As you can see, that if I select this area, it blurs that whole area. You will see the blue rectangle. For example, this image as well. I want to blur this image, and that's how it works. So with the keep blur, let's accept that. Now I'm going to refresh the page, and you'll see what I mean. There we go. It will be a slight little delay. So that's because the Chrome extension is running. So if you want to unblur everything, what you need to do is you gotta go here, select keep blur, and then remove all and accept. Let's see if that worked, and yes it. Now if you just wanted to blur, just say a block, then you can select the blur area. So for example, if I wanted to blur this specific face and then hit apply, you can actually move that as well. Can blur specific words as well. So if you select text, you gotta remember, if you see this rectangle, it's selecting the blocks automatically. You don't want that. You gotta switch the mode so that you can select just the text that you want to blur. Blur text. There you go. So this is very useful, especially if you're doing tutorials and you're sharing your screen. Then you can use this tool to hide sensitive information. Now, in terms of pricing, there is a monthly and yearly fee if you want to use the professional version. So with the professional version, you get 3 active browsers, so you can sync across the devices. It includes the Chrome extension, Edge add-on, and Firefox and Safari. So it works on these other browsers: Brave, Vivaldi, Opera, and other Chromium-based browsers. It also works with Zoom, Loom, Gmeet, Berrycast, and others. It's got GDPR compliant. You can get a 5-day easy refund. If you pay yearly, you get 22% off. So that's an option. There's also the team version where you get more active browsers. So you're going from professional from 3 to team, which is 5 active browsers. So there you go. This tool is very easy. I use it quite frequently, so I've added it to my list of tools that I use. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.